What is up, everybody? Indigo Jake coming at you from Pinetop, Arizona, in the middle of a snowstorm. Driving kind of cool, just got out of the hotel, and yeah, this is what we're driving in right now, which is really irregular for us. We're not used to this. Snow country, ice all over the hood, and we live in Arizona. Everybody thinks Arizona's just desert. You see, you don't know unless you come and you explore it. So beautiful up here. Mesmerizing. Pinetop Lakeside. And it is snowing. It's still snowing. We woke up to a nice blanket of snow, and I thought it was done snowing, and oh no, it started snowing again. And this is only a 3-hour drive from where we live in Gilbert, Arizona. Such a beautiful escape. A place that my beautiful wife and I enjoy coming and escaping to. Right, baby? Oh. Did you hear that? That's my wife. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
That's my beautiful Ukrainian wife. I love her so much. That's what you say. I hear you. Loud and clear. So beautiful. I think my wife needed to be reminded of her country back home. Because she's used to being around the snow all the time, except it's usually about 4 feet higher, if I'm not mistaken. Pinetop Lakeside, driving out of Pinetop Lakeside. Just left our motel. And I thought I would show you what it looks like coming down out of Pinetop Lakeside and into Sholo, which for many people who know a little bit about Arizona, Sholo's the bigger city that they would probably be more common or familiar with or have heard of before. Very little know that if you continue to drive, there's a sweet little town up here called Pinetop Lakeside. Ooh, ice. I wonder how the weather conditions are going to be driving home. How high up it's snowing. If it's snowing all the way to Globe, or if it's just snowing up here. Oh my goodness. Icy roads. Gotta stop sooner. And then you got my little munchkin sitting back here. Say hi, people. Oh, and I'm sitting at a green light. Alright, it says my storage is low, so I gotta cut this video short before it cuts it short for me.